La gonav mwen. Li fèm sorti se Haiti miye, se la kay mwen. Look at this big thief.
Ah, vai tomar isso tempo.
Trois mango nou ke eat. Every time I say but somebody got to say yeah. Thank you. Vous femme bien presse comme ça, moi m'boué. This is perfect. A little secluded place, just me and you, celebrating our love. Okay guys, ça c'est moi fait. On laisse cheveux maintenant. Moi décidé de mettre curls là-dedans. Faire style va être plus belle parce que là était juste straight là, il était fait être plat, which m'a trop aimé. This is what I have right now. And then moi décidé pour me porter flat iron avec moi, juste pour me refresh my curls. Ça c'est habillement ça, my biggie shirt. Hello Berry. I'm gonna be taking some pictures when I get to Jamaica. Are you gonna drive, Big Steve? Backpackers.
I will call, you would say, baby, how's your day? Today, ain't it the same? Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took the
Okay guys, we're leaving in Jamaica. Oh my god, chalet. Unbearable.
so prove yourself to me from the girl that you claim.
It's hot, I'm sweating.
To me yesterday. Something's going down, there's a waiting. Nobody's holding you back from me. You saying everything to me times two. Can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name is around you.
Welcome to Jamaica. In fact, checking in the hotel long, and then I'm just turning on men and I am melting. Like, I'm sorti se yon son neige mwen ki nan chalet because I'm melting my hair. My curls are gone. Holy shit, it's hot. You see this? I'm sweating. Ooh. Hi, Leggy. Oh, Leggy's still eating brownies. Yummy, Papa. Where's Lex? Hi, Lexington. Mwah, mwah. Yeah, you can have chocolate milk.
Did you guys stop asking for shit?
Well, I guess everybody wants chocolate milk now. It's okay. I guess everybody wants chocolate milk. Buddy, do you still want juice or chocolate milk? Very nice. Well, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Actually, I'll talk to y'all in the morning. It hung up. Oh my gosh. So guys, nous sorti oh my god, it's so hot in Jamaica. Like gon chalet ici là, but chalet an like really humid. Pap sweet, ok? Nou ka wè chevem ap retounen back. Depi koum rive, koum sorti de yon airport lan, chevem komanse ap reboukle ankor pou li retounen back krepi an. Mwen ma Steven nou sorti nan. Mwen avèk Big Steve nou sorti nan restoran ke le Margaritaville. My food was okay. Steven's food was good. So m souwete prochaine fois lot bagay, lè nan manche lot bagay, m souwete m jouni yon bagay ki mwen reme. But wow, like nan cham nou ye nou gen yon telman bel view. Ma vire kamera pou moutre nou paske m ap gade la mer. And it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. I'm moutre nou de yon, guys. Look at that. Sa se la mer na gade la.
Pagin pe yon kafe?
Si yon amade si pagin pe yon kafe na Jamaicans.
Ako men?
Si telefon mwen tombe la mbap kontan no? Li fèm sorti se Haiti miye se la kay mwen, la go nav mwen. Si tout pou moun yo, gen kek moun nan prete si. Talè map fè yon room tour. Cham nan vreman se, cham nan vreman se men jom di nou an. Gon king size bed, kaban nan, vreman go. Gon king size bed, nou salman kaban nan go, kaban nan wo. Gen yon miwa sou tèt li, nou gen ventilateur, nou gen pot sa ki sorti sou galeri an. Nou gen this thing right here, it's really nice. Bifet sa la, daman nice, ok, design na bel. And then nou gen yon TV, and then nou gen AC. Ya nou gen televizyon, nou gen AC tout sa, c'est vraiment important, parce que pou chalet ki gen nan Jamaïque, exceptionnel. But AC yon pa freeze, guys, yon pa freeze. But quand même, li fon ti bagay, parce que yon de dans la pi bon ke de yon, quand même. And then nou gen ti frigide, ok. Mucho, how do you say mucho cute? Ay bonito. Mucho cute. Si frigide si de un ti frigide kon sa nou bezou nan cham nan Big Steve. Something that's actually big enough to hold our thing. Sa se batum nan, super simple. Dim si nou pa soti se Haiti nou ye gade vit lan, yo gen menm vit menm jan avek Haiti tou. Nan ansyen kay mwen te ganti en Haiti se de vit sa yo nou te gen. It's a real thing here in Jamaica. Ne mwen bout patanon sou mwen. Booty so big. Lord, have mercy. Have mercy. Have mercy. Look at that. Bow. So but the margarita is the margaritas talking, not me. But gade ki jan figi m klere, c'est pas, it's not because I'm just beautiful. I am beautiful, but c'est parce que chalet yon super man chou nan boudon. Mwen map soy. Mwen ma Steven nou pal pran la ri ankon pou nou jis al explore pou nou ki sa Jamaica genye pou nou fre nou. We're having fun. I'm ready to get out of here. I'm sweating like hell. I feel like I'm sweating more in here than I sweat outside. Which is, I don't understand it. So m vini a kamera guys pou m bran kek foto, but m bakon ki jem a fe pran foto sa yo paske foto yo depan de chevem being curled. En chalet an pa kite chevem curled. I don't like that. So m basi se matin, nan matin pou m leve bi bonnet pou m curl chevem, and then pou m vin like fe photo. I don't want to have to rock a ponytail every day in Jamaica, but it might be that. Every day in Jamaica. Like a Jamaican gal.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Bob, 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 I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Bob, 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 I'm a Barbie girl.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
Do no supermarket.
Yung mundo, no, guys.
I'm sorry, dancing too. Saya nak labi nak tu ya dinarin. All of these things right here I've never seen. This ginger beer.
Ginger beer apa? Baik.
Have you ever seen a ketchup in a bag? But anyways, je vais faire un petit bain parce que chaleur. Regardez-moi qui l'a fait. Il fait 9h07, il est vraiment bonnet toujours. Nous juste pas vraiment rien pour nous faire. Nous allons marcher dehors, nous allons aller dans la market. But we're full. Nous allons manger. Bon dia! Nous levons. It's just 6 du matin, guys. And I'm up. I never wake up at 6 in the morning. Unless I have school. But I'm leaving avec. Excuse me, nous pas dans Jamaïque. Why? Why you pas Jamaïque? Why? But anyways, guys, I'm leaving. Pom. Duk mbase may gwent mo de mias pa. Lem te chita de yon. I va gratte, non jis. I don't know. Hopefully. What's up, guys? Good morning. So mwen ma Big Steve. Actuellement la li fe. What time is it? C'était lié? Il presque 7h30, moi et Steven nous allons dans Starbucks, Jamaica. Nous allons acheter café et nous allons prendre un petit breakfast. Seriously, I'm not going to maquillage because it's too early. And yeah, so let me return back to the hotel. I'm maquillée and je dis I'm just going to rad sur moi. Simple pimple. I'm not. I feel like a real Jamaican woman right now. So guys, nous na beach là. Let me get my drink avant mon jetel. Plage là fait couvrir. Bah gen pièces man tout partout côté nous. Même j'ai nous manger en Haïti, yo crasé là après manger tigre en dedans. Everything the same. Raison qui fait me demander avant manger c'est parce que l'aime aller Mexique. Gen gros pièces man Mexico, yo pas manger zaman là. So I was like, that's interesting. And it does.
Exactly.
That's right. Good.
How much is this thing just like, guy? When you got the look at the water, you boom, look at the water, bad blue. It's a là. Moi, je vois du boom monter dans l'eau. I would laugh my ass off. Now if I go, if you don't know about the team,
we're at the restaurant. Look at this view.
Real coffee. But some do not Starbucks, no man. I'm sure that's not gonna do.
We did it for the experience.
No, I don't want to do that.
Pourquoi femme bien presse comme ça? Même vous. Why do you have to over squeeze? This is Aki saltfish for me. Real Jamaican breakfast, man. Miss Steven.
I gotta get the New Zealand.
I think that's the side of eggs you oh no, that's the side of eggs you asked for. Yeah, this looks like it's made out of eggs.
You back up in that?
No, this is different. You see this? I don't know what that is. Let's taste it.
Good.
This is different. We don't have this in Haiti. So Steven vient dans Jamaica. It's nice. You get poisson là-dedans.
Alright.
I don't know. Sugar cane. Let me see a sugar cane. Yummy chicken. A little pickles on the side, man. Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. Margarita, margarita, señorita, bing. Wow. Ça c'est kebef. Plantain. Marme lorsque moun sa pa bay assez banan. They're very stingy with the banan. By the way, lo Jamaica bagay sa yo kalalu. It's like a mixture of vegetables. Iba kalalu no gen an Haiti. But look at that. It looks good. It looks good, man. So matin c'est un l'autre jour. So hier yo te vin ranger ici pour nous, so nous te bien dormi. So ça te bon chance pour me te lever, faire maquillage moi sans pas souhait, délisser cheveux. Si tellement que chalet dehors, so nous ka déjà commencé à renfler. C'est ça qui fait me juste tacher. I don't know. I'm touching avec un claw clip. And then, je suis en train de mettre la caméra back dans la valise. Je vais la caméra à terre. La caméra cassée. So, there's that. Et je vais vous montrer mon habillement. Mon habillement aujourd'hui est really classy. Je vais vous montrer dans l'autre vlog que j'ai acheté from Walmart. Tout habillement là net from Walmart. Sauf shoes qui n'ont pas my bracelet. Nick Steve got me a long time ago. This is the back of me shirt. This is cute too. It's cute too. It's a look. It's also a look. But I'm gonna let one hang for now. I don't know. I might tuck this back in because I feel like this would probably look a little bit better. I don't know. I might put this in. I might do that. I might leave it out. This is the bag. Ça c'est valise ça moi apporter. So the outfit, like when it all comes together, it's actually super duper cute. You can see the vision. You see the Barbie. You see the Barbie. Je repasse maillot pour me venir avec lui, but et comme si me pas faire rien là-dedans parce que lui juste like it's li plié, but je pense que depuis que je sorti dehors, pour chalet qui dehors, maillot ça pral belle sous moi. Moi ma sœur nous allons retourner back dans le restaurant qui est le Pelican nous manger là-dedans des fois déjà. Nous manger là-dedans hier matin and then nous manger like dinner là-dedans. Hier après-midi. Vraiment goût, moi t'ai mangé un kebef. Kebef là t'ai boy là-dedans. Première fois moi bagay ça c'était tellement goût, like ti boy était vraiment petit. On dit collé à pois qui était like cocoa là-dedans. It was the best Jamaican plate I've ever had. And then tibanan pizio, chef kiss. Breakfast là, I wasn't too crazy about it. So aujourd'hui, I'm gonna say something different. Like, I'm not venir ici pour manger américain. That's like not what I came here for. Like, so I'm gonna try something else. I might just have lots of sides for breakfast with some eggs. I mean, everybody eats eggs, right? C'était this moment aujourd'hui because sandal lan, I'm get bout pantalon en bas ça too, guys. No worries, okay? Si me leve pied me trop, nobody's gonna see Big Steve's coochie cat. But anyways, sandal lan le pied me sou la dan, pied m'a glissé like it's actually dangerous. Yeah, raté on saut avec lui, and I was at a park. So tennis is the safest route for me, and it matches. It's white. It goes with everything. This is my favorite outfit of the whole trip. I was actually gonna wear it yesterday. I'm glad I didn't because pour ma me fait yeah, and that's sweet. Ça c'est lamb en créole, c'est mouton, viande mouton, guys. Ça c'est tellement goût. Viande c'est tellement goût, it's something else, okay? It's crazy.
Right? We gotta roll it up.
Eat it?
Stop it.
Oh, I thought you meant to put these things inside, the rice, this, and eat it. Alright, tout bon sak nan mon la mon ti je to à l'aise nan sauce mwen.
Oh man.
Oh my god, that's good. The best Indian food in Jamaica.
Yeah. That's what they
And
call
yours was what is this?
it. Malaysian.
Oh, remember we had Malaysian food in New York?
That's what I said. I've been saying we're back in New York. We went.
Ça c'est noodle Steven and noodle Malaysian.
These guys are running the country and they got the best food. Jamaica is not back in shop. Trois mango nou keyi, tout kote passe nan Jamaïque, des pieds mango tout nan la Rio, et l'importe moun. Et bah, Steven dit nous, Steven qui keyi. Et pour là, on ka manger son vle, on ka keyi. It's so nice. Look at that, nou pral bien passer. Chalet. Oh my gosh. Nou pral bien passer nan mango.
Mabeyon an fè, me lang an fè, vye tout se chè ou. Kabeyon ne pa trote nan la rigel ou bien chez nou. Relem kapten mette yon bon nouvel manose ou. Ou pa telman jen to chéri m'fè pou pa inonde ou. Ki jem sa monè ou.
La caille Usain Bolt, nous venons manger. Look how cool the table is. It's just a giant slab of wood. Oh, it's beautiful in here. What they got down here? The escalator. Guys, nous la caille Usain Bolt. Est-ce que nous connaissons? It's upstairs. It's upstairs. And I saw Usain Bolt nous vini. Monsieur Jamaica sa kon kouri track runner. Wow. Ooh, and they got a patio. You get patio, but it's too hot out there. Ooh, this looks so nice. Does it have fire in it? real fire. How am I supposed to drink this when it's on
Alright, so
fire?
you're gonna use a straw. So you're
Okay.
gonna bring a little bit less.
Yes, okay.
What?
Every time I say but, somebody got to say
Booyah.
yeah. Thank you. I told you I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I choked.
Was this record? No, I was just... Ooh, it is on fire.
Yeah, man. Look at the bones.
Really looks like Haiti.
It's 80.
Okay.
So you can drive at 80.
Okay.
As long as you can,
Second drink.
you're 18, you can have a,
Go out. Now, look it up. How it's set up avec the curvature. That looks sweet.
It's a promo music.
Bali pise rendez-vous, un poko jam kawel. Li pa vle nek ma ozo. Li toujou kite ou sou lule ou voye DM. Li pa vle nek ma ozo. Konen kam touche dadal, pendant vle touche kel. Li pa vle nek ma ozo.